Hello. So here I'll be showing you what I'll do to grab the class's attention with my lesson plan. And first off, I'm teaching about the Great Lakes and rivers. So first, I'm going to show some of these pictures you can see here of Great Lakes, and I'll let each student search on their own computer for pictures of lakes. And as you can see, these pictures are pretty engaging, so the students should be interested by them. And then after this, we'll play a short game. The game is called I Have, Who Has. So the first person will read, I have the beginning card. Who has the definition of a Great Lake? So the next person would, whoever has the definition for a Great Lake would step up and say, I have 5 lakes that are connected in the Mideast. Who has the definition of a river? And the game will just keep going until each group member has shared. And I'll split the class into 2 groups, and the first group to finish wins. So there's sort of a competition element, and the winning group will have kind of a jump-started knowledge of caves and Great Lakes. And then here I will also show pictures of the inside of caves. And I've actually been in many caves, so I'll bring pictures of myself in the caves, which will be pretty cool because it will allow some of the students to maybe make a personal connection with the material, which is important if I want to get it across. So, in recap, I'll start off with pictures of the Great Lakes, then I'll move on to the game, I Have, Who Has, and then after this, I will move on to showing pictures of caves, and then we'll be ready to start the lesson.